I picked up one of these propane torches off Amazon. Let's take this thing out of the box and check it out. When you take it out of the box, this is what you're going to have. This is about how big it is, reference with my hand here. And you're going to have the manual. It's got this little lighting instructions card attached to it to give you a quick startup. Propane bottle goes here. There is your adjustment valve right here in the back. And then you just push this button here. That's how it gets started up. Now, I do see here on the box, it says, "Hey you, torch only lights using very little fuel. So don't turn this thing wide open to try to get it lit. Start it with just a slight amount of gas coming out of it. You'll hear like a really light hiss, and that's how we're gonna light it. Let's do it." So here is a shot of those lighting instructions. You hook the propane canister right there to the bottom. And again, back here, plus or minus, and then push it to light it. So I'm going to turn it on a little bit. You can probably hear that. Let's try this. Wow, that was really easy. And when they say you don't need to turn it up much, I mean, I just barely turned that. So it lit up very easy. Let's go ahead and see how crazy it gets when it's open full blast. So I don't know if you can see that really well. I'm slowly turning this thing up. And it is becoming like a massive, like a jet engine torch. And I'm not even all the way up yet. Man, that is crazy. I wanted to burn this grass in this area anyway. I mean, look how far away I am and it's still lighting it. I'm probably at least a foot away, maybe a foot and a half. And it's just burning this up, no problem. And it can still go higher. But I think that's basically about as high as it's gonna get. Even though I'm turning it, I'm gonna lower it down. And it's pretty easy, even with one hand, to just slowly roll it with your thumb. And then you can turn it all the way out with just one hand. So I like that. Some of the ones are kind of weird to turn them and you have to use both hands. So yeah, man, this thing is very cool. Always going to be using this at the land. All right, well, I hope this video was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.